Okay, today we are going to do um, some prior skill practice on multi-digit multiplication. So you can see these two graphics here both go over just the steps of multiplying with multi-digits. They look a little bit different in like how they have it laid out, but both of them accomplish the same goal of multiplying multi-digit numbers. So let's go ahead and get started. So if we look at this number, okay, we really important that we know our multiplication facts. That's going to help us all throughout this. So 9 times 7 is 63. Remember, we put the ones place and carry our tens place. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 6 is 51. Carry that 5. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 5 more gets me 41. And then we add our comma into our tens place. So when we're multiplying, right, this is a 3-digit by a 1-digit. It just really is our basic math facts that will help us with this process. So let's try another one. Okay, here we go. We have 167 multiplied by 8. So 8 times 7, hopefully you're saying 56. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus those 5 are 53. Carry that 5. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 5 gets us 13. And we place our comma in. Okay, go ahead and give this one a try, and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. Okay, so 7 times 2 is 14. Carry our 1. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus that 1 is 29. Carry our 2. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 2 is 51. So 5,194 is hopefully what you got. Okay, again, go ahead and pause the video and try this one, and then press play to check your answer. Okay, here we go. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 3 is 27. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus that 2 is 20. We put our comma in. So we should have 2,070. Hopefully that is what you got. Okay, again, try this one and press play when you are ready. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. Nothing to carry on that one. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry that 3. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 3 more is 39. And we put our comma in. So 982 times 4. Hopefully you got 3,928. Okay, same process. You try it and then press play to go over it. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry that 1. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1, 31. So hopefully that one should have been pretty simple, knowing our basic math facts, because multiplying by 5 is sometimes easy. Now, if we look at this next problem, we will notice that it is a 3-digit multiplied by a 2-digit number. So process is going to change just a little bit. We're going to add an extra step, but hopefully this is still somewhat of a review. So here we go. 6 times 3 is 18. Carry our 1. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Carry another 1. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 1 is 25. Now, because I'm done with the 6, I'm going to cross it out. And when I do that, I'm going to put a 0 placeholder here because now I am working with the 5. So I have to move that place value over because I'm working now in the tens place, as that 5 really represents 50. So 5 times 3 is 15. Now I'm going to cross that one off and I carry a 1 just so I know that that is with the 5. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus that 1 is 11. Same thing here. I'm going to carry mine and cross that out from the last row. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Now, you will notice that I have kept all these lined up really carefully because place value is really important. So when I'm adding these, they're all lined up. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2 plus the nothing up there is 2. My comma goes in there. So 423 times by 56 gets us 23,688. Looking at our next problem. So 2 times 9 is 18. Carry that 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 7 is 18. Now if we remember, right, we're done with that 2. So we put a 0 placeholder because we're moving over. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 7 is 7. Everything's all nice and lined up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry that 1. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have 8,748. Okay, moving on. So this one, 156 times 90, or multiplied by 90. You'll notice on this one, right, what do we know about multiplying by 0? Well, that's pretty simple. So I can go 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Okay, now I am done with this, so I still have to put that 0 placeholder. So I could have skipped this step, but I cannot forget that 0 placeholder because that 9 is actually, right, representing 90 because it's in the tens place. So 9 times 6 is 54. Okay, that's 5. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 5 is 50. Carry 5. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. Well, is there really much to add? No. So I should have got 14,040. So again, everything is really organized. My work's all lined up. Okay, let's do one more together, and then I will have you try some and check them. So here we go. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry that 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Carry a 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Now, again, we're moving to the next place value, so we put a 0 placeholder. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry our new 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Carry our new 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Now, because these are both 2's, hopefully, right, you notice that we're going to have the same when we multiply them out. But again, we have that 0 placeholder there. So now we add them together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry that 1. 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Carry that 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 187 times 5, 22, should have got us 4,114. Okay, go ahead and pause the video, try our next problem, and then press play to check your answer. All right, so 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 6, 6, 1 times 7, 7, 0 placeholder. 4 times 5 is 20, carry that 2. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry a 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 and nothing is 3 in our comma for our placeholder. So hopefully, right, you found that 765 times 41 is 31,365. Okay, again, try this one. Press play when you're ready to check. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry that 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus that 1 is 13. Okay, we're done with the 2. Put a 0 placeholder. Now, sometimes some people like to cross out that they've carried. Then they don't accidentally leave it in when they're going to the next round. Or you can do it like I did on the previous ones and just cross it out if you have to put something new. But it's up to you. 9 times 4 is 36. Carry that 3. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 3 is 48. Carry a 4. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 4 is 58. Let's add it up. We get 8. 6, 8 and 3 is 11. Carry a 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Carry a 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. And put a comma. So 654 multiplied by 92 should have got you 60,168. Okay, so that is it with multiplying multi-digit numbers. Hopefully you felt fairly comfortable with that. Again, if we know our multiplication facts, this process becomes a lot easier.